If you thought Suzuki was done surprising us, think again. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 is here, and it's bringing a fresh punch to the leader class segment. Sleek, sharp, and more refined than ever, this machine might just be Suzuki's most balanced big bike yet. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, let's dive in. Design. Right off the bat, the RM-Z 1050 makes a statement. With bold, aerodynamic lines and a redesigned front end, it's aggressive without being overdone. Suzuki's done a great job blending sport bike DNA with everyday rideability. The new LED lighting, crisp digital display, and refined bodywork make it look every bit as modern as you'd expect from a 2026 model. Performance. Under the hood, under the tank, you've got a reworked 1043 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers smooth, usable power across the rev range. It's not just fast, it's predictable, responsive, and feels well planted through corners. Suzuki focused on real-world performance here, and it shows. Whether you're carving up canyons or cruising on the highway, the RM-Z 1050 feels at home. Features and technology. Tech-wise, this bike doesn't disappoint. You get a full suite of ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, quickshifter up and down, and even cruise control. The new 6.5-inch TFT screen is crisp, customizable, and now supports wireless smartphone integration. It's the kind of tech that enhances the ride without getting in the way. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 worth your attention? Absolutely. It's refined, powerful, and finally brings Suzuki back into the spotlight where it belongs. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, share it with a fellow rider, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, up-to-date bike content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.